time immemorial, if you look at, there is no stopping the ego of a madman, you know.
Yeah. This is
So
the
this
ego.
is just, this is just one such story that you basically see. When you have megalomaniacs having a reign of power in their hands, जब अतिशोक्ति होती है शक्ति की उन लोगों के पास जहाँ पे उनके पास धर्म का ना साधन है ना विचार है, तो this is the result that you basically get. So power in the hands of a responsible person versus power in the hands of irresponsible person has a certain merit and consequence, right?
Yeah.
तो इसी प्रकार से अगर आप सोचें कि if you had all the power of almost not dying, what would you do? Because if you don't have the conscience and anchor, then you'll go astray. This is what Hiranyakashipu is. Now today in this world also we have many Hiranyakaships, little Hiranyakaships. घूम रहे छोटे छोटे रावण घूम रहे हैं, छोटे छोटे हिरण्यकश्यप घूम रहे हैं. Is it not?
Everywhere, all
Everyone,
the place, every second,
everyone.
every moment.
So and so कितने सारे घरों में ऐसा हो रहा है, पिताजी एडवोकेट हैं, वो चाहते हैं बेटा भी एडवोकेट बने, बेटा कहता नहीं मैं बड़े होकर एक्टर बनूंगा. It starts with an A also, you know. But and there's a conflict at home, right? So it is a eternal conflict of ideology that you see, right?
Correct.
Where the person with the power might want to project his power onto others. But the divine will always find a way to balance, and this is what this divine intervention of Bhagwan Narasimha is. आपके पास कितनी भी शक्तियाँ हो, लेकिन you cannot fool the divine balance because it will find its way.
Yeah, one more thing.
So I think I'll take the second question first and segue it into the first one. Indian animation state of affairs has rather not been the best, as to put it in the least. But the potential is huge. Why? Because A, we are a culturally rich land of stories. This is the place and heritage of stories. That's how I believe it, and that's how I see it to be. तो stories हैं हमारे पास. We have skills, because if you look at all the international films, तो उसमें end में सारे Indian names होते हैं. So that means the skill is there. All we need is to just basically consolidate the will to do it. And I feel that given the next open source tech and democratization of all the tech at hand, it's not too far where you see independent creators such as me and many more to come. They're going to break the mold. That's definitely it's going to happen. I can vouch for it. In the next 5 years, you will have around 5 people sitting in the garage made a film that does 1,000 CR. It is going to happen, mark my words. Because it's just the will of people, and the youth today is like crazy. They're crazy to do things, right? They just need the fire in the belly, and I think somebody is going to pop up and do this, right? I hope it's us.